One of the great things about the Bangalow BBQ Bluegrass Festival is the inclusive nature of it all. At the showgrounds on Saturday, August 2nd, we're going to have up to 30 barbecue teams, from amateur backyard boys right up to professional class, competing to compete in championships around Australia and the U.S. Producing incredible barbecue, and the great thing about this festival is that everybody gets to be a judge. When you buy a ticket for a limited time, you actually get judging forms included in your ticket price, which allows you to taste some of that barbecue and determine what you think is the best tasting barbecue on the day. So I hope you get to come out and really enjoy some of the barbecue and participate and get engaged and get involved in all of this great barbecue that's going to be happening on Saturday, August 2nd.